I know what you're thinking. This is an HVAC channel. Why are you doing plumbing? Well, that's because this is my house and I haven't had hot water in 2.5 days. I've been cold plunging against my will and I don't like cold plunging. So today, on a Saturday, we're going to change this out, and if I have to change it on a Saturday, you can watch it. Plus, I know none of you HVAC guys are actually paying people to come and fix your stuff. You're doing it yourself. First things first, power down. What has happened is when I run hot water, it never even illuminates. It's not even registering. So this is a flow sensor, and the one that's in there is bad. I'm guessing it's probably not spinning. It's probably got a bunch of junk on it. I've tried cleaning it with vinegar, and it still didn't fix the problem. So I'm just gonna change it out. Today's video is brought to you by Hey Dudes. Are they house shoes or do you go out in public with them? Nobody really knows. This is the old one, this is the new one. The old one versus the new one. Sounds like a kazoo. Power on. You ready for a hot shower? Mm-hmm. Look at that, we got power. I'm going to take a hot shower.